down on the farm. Let's have some fun.
In this video, you will learn how to make your own musical cartoon, just like this. It's easy. Do you know that kids' videos are at the top list of most watched videos on YouTube? We'll be making use of 4 tools: ChatGPT, Suno AI, Canva, and CapCut. Here's the prompt used on ChatGPT. The response is quite straightforward. Now, let's create a song with the given lyrics. Go to your search engine and type suno.com. This interface will appear. You will need to sign up. Now, click on Create. You will see song description. If you don't have the complete lyrics but have an idea of what the song is about, then type in the idea and click on Create. Head back to ChatGPT and copy only the intro. And back to Suno AI to paste it right here. Then click on Create. It will generate 2 songs for you. But remember, we have earlier gotten lyrics from ChatGPT. It's now time to make it a song. So go to ChatGPT and copy the generated lyrics. Then back to Suno AI. In Suno AI, click on the custom button and paste your lyrics right here. Then choose the style of music you want. Kids' songs are usually pop, fun, upbeat, and more. It can generate lyrics for you. You can choose from the options. After making your choice, give it a title, then click on Create. It creates 2 songs. To download, click on these 3 dots, go down and click on Download. Remember to click on Audio. Here goes the 3rd application, Canva. It will be used to create the video. Sign up if you don't have an account, or sign in if you do. In Canva, click or search for video. You will be presented with a blank page. At the extreme left is Element. Click on it. Since our video is about farm animals, it will be ideal to search for a picture of a farm. I'll choose from graphics. This seems perfect. Now, right-click and scroll down to set image as background. That's to fit the page. Your creativity should come to life here. Let's add this signpost. It looks good. Followed by a cow. I'm looking out for a relatable picture. This cow looks okay. Let's reduce the size and flip it horizontally. Go to Animate. Click on Create an animation. Then hold the cow and drag to the preferred direction. Movement style is fine. Also, the speed is fine. This shows how you want the animal to appear with a click during the presentation. Here are more effects we can try. Wiggle is fine. Then click on Done. Now let's search for the picture of a sheep. This looks okay. Let's resize. Then we follow the same step we used in cow. But this time, the sheep moves from right to left. It looks good. More animals will be added as the beginning of the song indicates. So we have to show a lot of farm animals. I added duck, pig, hen, dog, just to keep adding. You can keep adding. So I added the sun, birds, a farmer to make it as engaging as possible. Animate the characters according to the song. The clip is extended because of the song. I want another scene where the animals will be introduced one after the other, so I can create another page. Then search for a different farm. Make sure it fits the page perfectly. Let's check the lyrics to know which animal comes first. It's the cow. Set the cow, then make it move just like we did previously. It is time to upload the music file. Click on Upload Files, then import it. But I already have the song, so I'll go to Audio and click on the song. It will appear on your timeline. Let me add a hen to scene 1. Right-click on the second page to duplicate it so that each animal comes in and out on different pages. The second page has a cow coming in, while this third page should have a pig based on the song. Let's have a look at the lyrics to know which animal comes next. Duplicate a page and add the cow again. But this time, make it look slightly far. Then the next page is the pig looking far away. Then I decided to make it more engaging by adding birds, butterfly, bees, and so on. So I decided to add moving cloud, change the direction of the cloud. Once the entire video seems good enough, along with the song, you can download by clicking on share. Scroll down, then download. Visit freeanimalsounds.com to download the sounds the animals make. While in Free Animal Sounds, click on Animal Sounds, followed by Farm. Scroll down till you see Farm Sounds. Click on it. Keep scrolling to listen and download your preferred animal sound. Thereafter, head to CapCut for the final edit. Import the video that was downloaded from Canva, then drag it to your timeline. Thereafter, import all the downloaded animal sounds. Then drag them one after the other to the bottom of the video and adjust according to the song. Do this as required, especially where an animal is mentioned. Then you place the song it makes. Click on the clips, then copy and paste where you want it to be. I want the same animal sound that started it to end it. To do this, highlight and drag all the sounds you want and copy, then paste at the end. Always play your video to identify errors. To reduce the music as it approaches the end, you have to click on audio, then fade out. Now that you're done, you can click on export and finally export again. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Here's the outcome. Enjoy.
Down on the farm, let's have some fun. Meet the animals, one by one. The cow says moo, the pig says oink. Let's hear them all, let's not be coy. Moo, moo, says the cow so loud. Oink, 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 goes the pig in the crowd. Bow, bow, sing the sheep with glee. Quack, 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 the ducks by the tree. The horse goes neigh as it trots around. The chicken clucks, pecking at the ground. The goat says ma, and it leaps so high. The rooster crows.